Yazi into engayirealize kakhulu nge-relationship, I've seen abantu abane-jealous ngama-relationship abantu abanye amahle ayenza kahle ayenza kangcono. Inkinga eqala lana ukuthi why ama-relationship amaningi angalasti ukuthi nawe uthatha iy'nkinga ze-relationship yakho uma uxabene ne-partner yakho uyoxoxela abangani bakho. Kungani wenza kanjalo mfoka baba? Engamani ngabe uze ne-solution ne-partner yakho nayilungisa nayixazulula niwu-two, manje uyofuna ama-advice kubangani bakho abangakufisela okuhle ku-relationship yakho, bakuphe ama-advice a-wrong ngoba ba-jealous nge-relationship yakho, babona ezinhle nge-relationship yakho, abafisa sengathi nabo bangathanda the way wena uthanda ngakhona. Kodwa wena it's better ukuthi u-expose ama-problems kubangani bakho. Leyo relationship ngeke last ngoba i-empty, i-public. Everyone angakontrola akutshele leyo kutshela ngakhona ukuthi umlahle lo muntu, because they are jealous about your relationship. After that, maqeda ukuhlukana nomuntu wakho baza behleka wena futhi bathi becabanga ukuthi uzophelela kuphi. So engikhuluma khona manje, be aware ngabangani bakho, be aware ukutshela abantu nge-relationship yakho ngoba asibona bonke abajabulela i-relationship yakho. Bakhona abafila jealous, bakhona abangakufiseli okuhle ku-relationship yakho ngoba babona into enhle eyaphambili nge-relationship yakho. Ungathemba abangani bakho ku-relationship yakho, ungatsheli abangani bakho izinto ze-relationship yakho, it's either zinhle noma ama-challenges. Ungabatsheli ngoba most of them bazokupha ama-reasons noma ama-advice are-wrong bese yaphela bakuhleka. So be careful. Ngiyabonga.